Best AI websites for passive income in 2025. What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need coding skills, a big budget, or years of experience to start building passive income streams? All you need is a laptop, Wi-Fi, and the right AI websites that can literally make you money while you sleep. In this video, I'll reveal the best AI websites for passive income in 2025, plus a bonus tool at the end that could save you hours of work every week. So stick around for that. Hey everyone, welcome back to Earning Guru, the channel where we turn smart tools and simple strategies into real online income. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip that could change your financial future. But question, if you could set up one passive income stream today, would it be a blog, a YouTube channel, or an online shop? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be checking and sharing ideas with you. The best AI websites. #1 Copy AI. Great for creating blog posts, product descriptions, or ebooks. Write once, publish, and earn passively through Amazon KDP or Gumroad sales. 2. Pictory. Turn scripts or blog posts into professional videos. Perfect for YouTube automation channels that earn through ads and affiliate links. Chapter 3. Midjourney. Generate AI art and sell it as digital prints, Etsy products, or even coloring books on Amazon KDP. Chapter 4. Durable.co. Build entire websites in minutes. Use it to create niche affiliate sites that keep earning from product referrals. #5. Murph AI. Produce realistic voiceovers for audiobooks, podcasts, or videos. Upload once to platforms like Audible or YouTube and keep earning. Chapter 6. Runway ML. AI video editing made easy. Create ad templates or short clips and sell them on marketplaces like Envato or Motion Array. ChatGPT. Beyond writing, ChatGPT is perfect for running a paid newsletter or subscription content system, a true recurring income model. Bonus, Opus Clip. This tool repurposes long videos into viral short clips. Offer YouTube Shorts packages on Fiverr. Set it up once and scale into a subscription service. Now, pro tips. Start small. Pick one tool and one income stream. Set it up once. The upfront effort is key. Then let AI do the heavy lifting. Expand later. Once one stream works, add another for multiple income sources. Yap up. So those are the best AI websites for passive income in 2025, from Copy AI to Opus Clip. With the right setup, these tools can help you build systems that pay you long after the work is done. Which one excites you the most? Comment below. I'd love to share prompts or strategies to help you get started. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Earning Guru for more ways to grow your online income. And before you go, check out my next video, How to Start the Zero-Cost Side Hustle with AI in 2025. It's the perfect next step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.